Yo, what is up guys? It is Corrupt here back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this background. Basically this is a custom little Discord background. I literally have just found out about this. One of my friends, actually, Rad Bear there, she actually told me about this, that she found a YouTube video. And I just wanted to make one for myself to give to all my friends and all my subscribers that might want this background as well, or other ones. I have 191 people in my Discord. If you want to join my Discord, then the link will be in the description below, as well as other links for you to get all of this stuff. Now, just a heads up, there are more themes than this one. So when you go into the settings here, it does make it look kind of blurry and iffy. But these are, that's because everything is, okay, wait. So the one that's turned on is this one right here. So I'm going to turn this off. So now it looks like normal Discord, right? And these are all the ones that I have in here. You know, let's say you like Rick and Morty, right? So, boom, Rick and Morty, please enjoy, yes, everything. Boom, there's a Rick and Morty themed one. This one isn't as good quality as the other one, but yeah, there's multiple different kind of ones that you can get. So let's go ahead and turn the Rick and Morty one off. Where are you? Here you are. Let's say you just want like a normal little theme background. There's plenty of different types. So this is the Orion Deep Field version. So this looks like this. But yeah, depending on what you want, there's plenty of different kinds. I'm just gonna go back to the one that I originally had, because I really like that Tron, Lambotron one. So you just click that, you know, give it a little bit. It's gonna take a second to get her done. The links that I use to get all of this is gonna be in the description below as well. So what you got to do is click the link in the description. It's gonna be this link right up here. What you need to do is you need to download this right here, bandagedbdwindows.exe. So you click that, you download it here, show on folder. Once you click show on folder, it'll be right there. I've already done it, so I'm not going to go through and do it again. Basically, you want to install that. Actually, there is one thing you want to do. I'll show you real quick. You want to click, no, well, I guess I'll click yes. So you want to click install. Well, I guess that's the one it wanted to do. Click install this, and then click install to stable. So once you do that, it'll basically install the whole little Discord thing. Your Discord will pop up again. So it'll pop up, it'll look the same-ish. Once it's finished downloading and you're back on your Discord. Another thing to note is that once you finish doing it, a screen will pop up, and if you don't know if you're basically once it's all done, you just exit out of it. You go back here. You're gonna need to go to your settings again, like I said, and you go to themes. Now, when you go to themes, you want to open theme folder up here. And so when you open the theme folder, it's gonna pop up as this. These are all the themes that I have. Now, I'm gonna move this to my other screen real quick to get it out of the way real quick. But what you want to do is I'm going to put this link in the description below as well. Now these have all the little ones that you have. You have the main themes, you have mini themes, requested themes, submissions. The requested one are more like anime and like just a whole bunch of other ones that people have requested. So you just click on view and download. So it'll pop up this. You just scroll back down, and these are all like the main little themes, right? There's Mitsuki, Mini Lad one. There's tons of them. You just click download. And once you click download, let's just say you want to download Earth. You click that, show in folder. It's gonna download wherever your previous download, your main download stuff is. So like here, it's gonna be right there. And you want to take your other one, this, and you basically want to move it into there. And then once you move into the themes, then that's all you want to do. When you click on themes, you're gonna want to make a new folder named themes so that you can put all the theme ones in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And once you get finished doing that, then you should have it automatically set up. It should automatically pop up into here, and once it pops up into here, you can just click on this to to get it set on there. And that's pretty much it. That's all you really got to do to get the themes that like I have in here. I really like this one. I literally just got this one. I really like how at the ad it's like rainbow color, and like how these light up. The other ones sometimes it's hard to see in the background because these words aren't lit up. I like how these come out when you need to go over here, but it stays over there, so you don't. It's not in the way. You can just see if somebody's typing, whatever it is. If you need to go find somebody, you can go over there. Sometimes I do. Sometimes it might get annoying to do that, but I can just switch out the theme. I can go back to whatever different one. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this YouTube video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, smack that like button. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, peace.